Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Ambrane Stringz 38 wired earphones. Now, this is what the packaging looks like. We can see what the actual product might appear to be. They wish to just call out one feature, that being this thing has melodic sound quality. On the right hand side, they mentioned that it has high bass sound. On the left hand side, they mentioned that it has a premium metallic design. The bottom just has their social media links. The top has a slogan which reads "Stay connected." On the back side of the packaging, you can see what the earphones look like thanks to this little window over here. Then there are a couple of features over here. First being that you get crystal clear sound. There's high bass reproduction. You can easily operate this. It's got an inline mic. The cable length is 1.2 meters and it uses a 3.5 mm stereo plug. On the bottom, you've got the pricing information along with the contact details for the manufacturer and importer. Aside from that, you've got two QR codes on either side. This is to visit the website and to send them any queries should you have regarding the product. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Inside the packaging, you've got replacement ear tips. These are in small and large size. The medium size comes pre-installed on the earphones. Then we've got the actual earphones. We've read that the cable length is 1.2 meters, and from the looks of it, that seems to be true. It uses a TRRS connector, that is tip ring sleeve, and this is tin plated. Then there's the control port, which has one button. This is to answer or cut calls. And on the back side, you can see a little opening, which is for the microphone. Then you've got the earphone buds. The casing appears to be metallic, and that's about it. This was the unboxing of the Ambrane Stringz 38 wired earphones. Thank you for watching.